County in northern Connecticut,
southwestern Worcester County in
central Massachusetts,
eastern western Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island until 4 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sturbridge, Oregon, 16 miles southwest of Worcester, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Killingly, Webster, Southbridge, Burrillville, Oxford, Charlton, Spencer, Dudley, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Sturbridge, Douglas, Brooklyn, Woodstock, Warren, North Brookfield, Pomfret, West Brookfield, and Brimfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Worcester, Massachusetts. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.5. New Hampshire. The 2 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, cloudy 63. Freiburg, partly sunny 67. Wiscasset, cloudy 62. Augusta, cloudy 62. Bangor, light rain was falling at 58. And in Caribou, light rain 53. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported partly sunny, the temperature was 72. And Concord, it was sunny and the temperature was 72 degrees. In Lebanon, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 73. Whitefield was cloudy and 61. Berlin, cloudy and 59. At the summit of Mount Washington, fog was reported. The temperature was 34 and the wind. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Newport County in Rhode Island, east central Providence County in Rhode Island, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Attleboro, or near Pawtucket, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Fall River, Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Dartmouth, Cumberland, North Attleboro, Lincoln, Little Falls, Somerset, Swansea, Tiverton, Westport, Seekonk, Rehoboth, Lakeville, Freetown, Dighton, and Berkeley. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, bringing you the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other weather information, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.